Hello, I am Stephanie Sanders, and I just wanted to share a little bit about me. So, this is some things about me. I have two corgis, and I love them. And they follow me around everywhere. I also live in Ohio, so that's why I have the Ohio State mascot here. And then my husband's grandparents actually own a farm, so they have some donkeys that we like to hang out and visit. Also, my husband and I love to travel, so you'll see different things like that when we travel. We love the beach and just visiting different places. We live in Gallipolis, Ohio, which is a small town. So this is a picture of our town lit up in Christmas lights along the Ohio River. So this is another picture of that as well. So it's just a small town, so it has pros and cons to it, but I love it where we live. I have also taught self-contained classroom with autism students only, as in it was just autism specified classroom. I taught high school, so I taught transition skills. I also taught post-grad and life skills, so I helped them get ready for employment and just transition into the real world. I also have taught several students with autism every year that I've been teaching. So I've been teaching 9 years, so I've been teaching autism students every year. In fact, currently I have about 6 students right now that have autism that I teach regularly throughout the week. I do like to implement different behavior strategies as well as help work on certain goals and accommodations that might be helpful and specified towards our autism learners. Also collaborating with the school psychologist for these learners in order to help understand and just identify these areas of need that they have. But I am hoping to learn more about how to implement behavior strategies as well as continue to develop baseline data for these goals and objectives. And then this is what I like to do on a rainy day. I love to watch TV or movies right now since it's getting ready for Christmas. I love Hallmark movies. I like to read when I have time. I also like to do crafts, DIYs, and I like to make wreaths or different things I'll find on Pinterest. I also love to bake. I love sweets, so anytime I can bake sweets or cookies or anything like that, I love to do that. I'm just a big coffee drinker, so I will usually have a cup of coffee as well, and then I love to like dress up and just decorate for the holidays. And I love just to shop for anything corgi related. So as you can see, this was last year, Christmas time. Got the corgi inflatable. So these are some fun things that I like to do on a rainy day. So I look forward to this class and just getting to know everyone better. And that's just a little bit about me. All right, thank you.